courage to continue that counts. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to my respected principal, esteemed teachers, proud parents, and my dear students. This quote beautifully describes the spirit of today's celebration. Yeah, the achievements by the students are not accidents. They are the result of their hard work, perseverance, discipline, sacrifice, and the support of their parents and teachers. Before I begin, I'd like to express how humble and grateful I feel to be standing on this stage. When I look at all the esteemed dignitaries on the dais, I'm reminded that I'm still a student learning and growing every day. In comparison to their vast achievement, encouragement, and achievements, I am reminded that I'm still at only the starting of my journey. And I consider the invitation to me from this institution not as a recognition for what I have achieved, but it is an expression of affection and encouragement. This institution, I can proudly say, this institution has always shown to its students. And yeah, I'm Purnashri RS, studying final year MBBS in KFPV Government Medical College, Trichy, and a proud alumni of Lakshmi Matriculation High Secondary School. I feel honored to be standing on this stage, and also I consider this as a precious chance offered to me to extend my gratitude and thanks to the institution which shaped me through the years and also inculcated various qualities, not only knowledge but also various other skills. Before few years, I was sitting where you are all sitting now. If someone had told me then that I would return here as guest, I would have probably asked, "Are you sure you are asking the right person?" Actually, life has beautiful ways of surprising us, and this is one among that. And first of all, my heartfelt congratulations to all the toppers sitting here. This is your day. Enjoy it. Take photographs. Celebrate with your family and be proud of the thing you have achieved. But remember, this is not the destination. It is the starting of your journey and also a milestone in your much needed journey. And I also want to thank every other student present here. But why? Because success is not recognized only by the award we receive and the recognition we get. Every student who wakes up early in the morning, goes to school, learns the subject, writes exams, and learns from the mistake is always moving towards forward. And never let this one incident underestimate or determine your worth. So, behind every successful story is there a story of struggle. There are stories of disappointment, late nights, failures, but we have to overcome everything. So, the thing that matters is don't ask yourself, am I better than others? Instead, you have to ask, am I better than who I was yesterday? Because that is what truly matters. Looking around the school brings back very good old back memories to me. The funny thing is, while we are in school, we can't get to leave it. But once we leave, we spend many years wishing we could return back just for one another day. And for me, I'm grateful that I returned today. Looking at you all, I don't see just students. I see doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs, teachers, scientists, and leaders. And who knows, perhaps the chief guest for another function like this from few years now is sitting somewhere among you. And also, as a senior who have served countless exams, I would like to give some advice to you. Don't study for marks. Study to grow, study to understand, and study to become capable of helping others. Because in future, no one will remember you for your mark sheets. They'll remember you for the person you are, for the character, for your kindness and the impact you made in your lives. And future is not determined by what you do today. It is a consistent and combined effort. It can also be shaped by you if you start doing something today. So, what matters the most is consistency than confidence. As, as I go to final year, I realized that success is not a single person's job. Behind every achievement or teachers who encouraged us, parents who supported us, and friends who encouraged us, and countless people who believe in us even when we fail to do. And yeah, I can still imagine how small words of encouragement felt like. Even a small, you can do better. I believe in you from our teachers felt like home. And I like to say an example. When I was in school, one of my teacher asked the question, And I knew the answer, but I was afraid of getting it wrong, so I hesitantly didn't do, and I was sitting alone. And finally, someone else answered, and it was exactly the same thing I imagined. Then, when I realized on it, I learned something important. The biggest obstacle in our life is not lack of knowledge; it's lack of confidence. So, students, either in academics or in life, you have to do things in order to grow, even when there is a chance of making mistake. So, students, don't be afraid of getting things wrong. Be afraid of not doing it. And also, I want to thank my teachers standing here today, because this moment not only belongs to me but also to the teachers who taught me and shaped me during my school days. Many of the qualities like kindness, determination, courage, and the confidence to pursue my dream were shaped by them. To my teachers, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for challenging me to do better every day. And thank you for helping me to become the person I am today. And wherever I go in future, a part of the credit will always belong to the teachers of LMHS. Thank you all. And and I would also like to express the gratitude to my teachers in all person in this stage. And I would also like to share our school's motto. This is my school. Make me proud of it and make it proud of me. As students, we always focus on the first part, being proud of our school. Yeah, we all do. But as we grow older, there is a deeper meaning behind the second part, be making the school proud of us. Yeah, I'm grateful for everything this institution has given to me. So I hope every student here in your own unique way will carry forward the values of the school and make the school proud of you, either by your character or through your service to the society. And everyone has this thought. As a medical student, I may have figured out everything in my life. No, I was also the student like many of you. I had fear before exams, waited anxiously for the results, and even doubted my worth at times. When I first entered my lecture hall in medical college, I was full of with excitement and confidence. But as the classes begin, yeah, I'm still with that excitement. But as the classes begin, started to realize that was very vast subject. And for the first time, I felt like there was like bigger lesson to learn with a shorter duration. During those moments, something I learned at this school helped me. We are not necessary to be masters at everything at once, but we have to be consistent. We have to be trying it. And successes are not recognized in days. It is recognized in ordinary days, like attending classes when we feel like not attending it, and writing assignments and completing it on time, and carefully listening to our teachers, and working on ourselves when nobody is noticing. So success is not defined by a good result. It is actually designed, but it is not solely dependent on a result, award, or admission. So the thing you have to remember is never underestimate the values of small steps, because when you grow older and look back, those small steps would have changed the course of your life. And the human body is actually fascinating because every organ has different roles. Similarly, every student here have your unique talents. So you don't have to be someone else in order to be successful in your life. You try in your own way. Once again, I congratulate everyone present here, and also especially the award participants who were felicitated today, and also every other student. May this inspire you to aim even higher in life. May I all wish you success, happiness, and fulfillment in your future endeavors. Thank you and best wishes.